Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis number 48 for week ending September 4, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 2.7%, closing at 730.91. It hit exactly 731 at its intraday highs, which was also its previous high on August 13. It will need to break above 731 and form a higher high. And if after hours are any indication of tomorrow's price action, we will likely see a higher high on Tuesday. This would affirm the current uptrend, which goes back to May 19 as shown by the yellow trend line. A break higher and we will easily see Tesla test resistance of the bottom of the orange channel at around 750. All in all, it's a great start to the trading week, and we could see Tesla push its way back to 800 plus, which is where the bottom of the green uptrend channel lies at. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this green channel is a long-term trend line that goes back to August of last year. A break back into this channel would be extremely bullish in my opinion. On Tuesday, Tesla was up 0.7%, closing at 735.72. As anticipated, Tesla broke higher, setting a new higher high as it hit 740 at its intraday highs. However, it had a discouraging close as it retraced lower to 735, ending the day slightly higher with under 1% in gains. Bulls would like to see Tesla push higher above today's highs with more conviction and volume to affirm the bull case argument for Tesla and likelihood of it continuing trending upwards. We will need to see if Tesla can continue to follow through on today's push higher through the rest of the week. But it is very constructive to see that it is starting to pull away higher, away from the previous resistance level at 700. This long-term consolidation zone between 550 to 700 that it broke out of could mean Tesla is ready to run much higher. As I mentioned before, we may see it test resistance of the bottom of the orange channel, which currently lies at around 750. On Wednesday, Tesla was down 0.2%, closing at 734.09. It traded pretty much flat for the day while it attempted to make a continuation on yesterday's gains at its intraday highs. It succeeded, however, it only rose about $1 above yesterday's highs. Despite reaching higher highs, today's insignificant highs is still reassuring that there is still buying pressure to the upside to potentially make a continued higher push upwards later this week. As I mentioned before, I do anticipate Tesla testing the bottom of the orange channel at around 750 sooner than later. Also, if we look at the monthly chart, Tesla is maintaining its uptrend within the red channel shown here. The longer it can prove to hold within this channel, the more likely it will make its way to the top of the channel, which currently lies at around 955. Thus, it could be setting up Tesla for new all-time highs. Another reassuring look is on the weekly chart, where Tesla is also maintaining its uptrend within the green channel shown here. As you can see, it's been holding support of the bottom of the green channel, and the presumption here is the same, that it will make its way towards the top of the green channel. On Thursday, Tesla was down 0.2%, closing at 732.39. It's been trading relatively flat the last 3 trading days, unable to push higher to make a significant higher high. I still believe a test of the bottom of the orange channel at just above 750 is in the cards, whether it comes tomorrow or next week. I remain very bullish near term as Tesla has proven that it can hold above the 50 and 200-day moving average, which both lie at around 682 to 684. The longer it stays above both of these moving averages, the more likely that good things are to come. If we look at the RSI, it is consolidating between 50 and 70. Ideally, I would like to see it break out above 70, which would indicate growing bullish momentum. On Friday, Tesla was up 0.2%, closing at 733.57. It has traded relatively flat the last 4 trading days, unable to muster up any buying pressure to push it any higher than 742. However, bulls are still in a good place as it is holding its breakout above 700 so far. In addition, as I mentioned before, it is also holding above both the 50 and 200-day moving average, as well as maintaining its uptrend as shown by the yellow trend line. Support levels to keep an eye on in case Tesla experiences another pullback is first the 700 level, which previously acted as resistance shall now act as support. If it breaks below that, we will find support at the 50 and 200-day moving average, which lie at around 684 to 685. The next support to watch for, if it breaks any lower than that, is the yellow trend line, which currently falls at around 675. To the upside, the next resistance level to watch for is the bottom of the orange channel, which currently lies at 756. A break above that would bring it within the orange channel, where it would work its way up to the next key resistance level of the bottom of the green channel, which lies at around 821. A break above this level would be extremely bullish as it reasserts Tesla back into the green long-term uptrend channel, as I mentioned before, which goes back to August of last year. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, we have resistance at 756. If Tesla breaks above that, we will see it run into resistance at 821. Bear case, we have support at 700, but if it breaks back below this level, we will likely see it fall to support at 684 to 685. Finally, a break below that level would set it up for a drop to support at 675. Now, on to Tesla news. Ray for Tesla tweets, to secure 4680 battery supply, Tesla China has been talking to current partners CATL and LG. Now, one industry insider close to Eve, a major Chinese battery supplier, says Tesla China is discussing to outsource its 4680 battery production to Eve as well, based on Tesla's design. Tesla inches closer to its India debut as 4 models approved. Elon Musk's Tesla is gearing up to launch in India as 4 models of the electric car maker have reportedly been approved in the country. Tesla has received approval from the Indian authorities to make or import 4 models in the country. Media reports suggested that Tesla had tied up with 3 Indian auto component suppliers to make parts like windshields, sub-assemblies, instrument panels, and other items from companies like Sona Cornstar, Sandard Technologies, and Bharat Forge. Earlier in July, Tesla's chief executive officer, Elon Musk, had said that the company is willing to set up a factory in India if the response to its electric cars is good. Elon tweeted, if Tesla is able to succeed with imported vehicles, then a factory in India is quite likely. There are reports that suggest that the 4 vehicles approved by the authorities could be 2 variants of the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, but there's no official confirmation in this regard yet. When these Tesla electric cars launch in India, they will compete with the likes of the Tata Nexon EV and Tigor EV, apart from the Audi e-tron, the MG ZS EV, and others from companies like Hyundai, Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar, and more. According to this tweet from Elon Musk, FSD Beta version 10 rolls out midnight Friday next week. He goes on to tweet, looks promising that Beta 10.1 about 2 weeks later will be good enough for public opt-in request button. With that said, it looks like the public FSD Beta button will be available in about a month. And in case you were wondering why Elon was contradicting himself by first warning us about robots and then recently announcing that he was making a robot through Tesla, he provides us with an answer in his recent tweet. Effin' Zach tweeted, why would you warn us about AI and then make a robot? Elon responded by tweeting, the robots are coming anyway, as Boston Dynamics videos clearly show. I will not be able to ensure that robots made by other companies are safe, but I can try my best to do so at Tesla. According to a tweet by Sawyer Merritt, Tesla held an all-hands meeting on Thursday evening. By all-hands meeting, I mean a quarterly meeting with all Tesla employees to update them on things and to thank them for their hard work. The following tweets were live tweets by Sawyer Merritt from the meeting. Gigafactory Berlin to have approval by October. Tesla is going to spell Tesla on Gigafactory Austin roof for planes landing on airport nearby. Elon went on to praise the Tesla team for their hard work. Elon said FSD 10 is quite profound, a revelation is the future. Version 10 next week and button requests 2 weeks after that. Elon also said Tesla is considering Model 2 not having a steering wheel and pedals and just roll the dice on FSD. Tesla won't call the $25,000 model the Model 2. They only did Model 3 because Ford had Model E trademark, so we just did Model 3 to troll them. Opening charging network very soon, starting maybe next month using Tesla app. It will start in Europe. The Cybertruck has been delayed to late 2022, production starting late 2022 and volume production in 2023. Elon is expecting to grow by a factor of 10 at least. Elon is maybe going to Mars in about 10 years, he said. And lastly, there will be a robo-van in the future to address people with disability. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.